The early morning has gold in its mouth, said Benjamin Franklin. The analogy by Franklin is by no means long drawn because getting up before the sun has many perks. Following is the list of reasons which will convince you to set your alarm for 5 am tomorrow. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we would be talking about benefits of waking up early. So without wasting much time, I will start with our video. But before that, yes, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload videos. So let's start. Before you get into the habit of waking up early, you should know the benefits that comes along with it. If you are already an early riser, you know what the morning brings apart from beautiful sunrises. However, for those who are not early risers, here is a list of more advantages. So today in this video, I will be talking about few benefits of getting up early. Getting up early gives you a kickstart for the day ahead, besides allowing you more hours for your work. It also boosts your speed. Studies have suggested that when a person gets up early, he is more energetic and take lesser time to do tasks that would take more time otherwise. He is also more adept in taking better decisions, planning and achieving goals. Early morning hours tend to be the most productive time of a day because you get uninterrupted time to yourself. You can accomplish any task faster when you don't face distractions. You can also use this peaceful and quiet time to plan your day ahead, allotting a certain time frame for each of your tasks, mentally working on your day before it starts. It enhances your organizing skills, promoting productivity. Early risers have this time to prepare a simple and healthy breakfast for themselves and their families. You wake up late, chances are you'll be late for everything else, creating a domino effect. When you're running late, you'll oftentimes pick up an easy to eat recipes like donuts, muffins or skip breakfast altogether. Breakfast is an important meal giving you energy to start a day. Skipping the meal makes your body crave energy and you end up eating something which is high in sugar or fat, which instantly gives you energy. It gives you more energy. Early birds have better sleep quality than the night owls because they have higher chances of completing all stages of the required sleep cycles. They get up early in the morning with more energy than the night owls, who usually don't get enough time to complete all sleep stages. Completing sleep stages and cycle improves both physical and mental wellness. So don't forget to sleep and take a good amount of sleep, which will help you to boost energy. By getting up early, you stay stress-free. Waking up early gives you a leisure to plan your day ahead. You aren't rushing through your day in a haste with cluttered mind. Planning ahead eliminates the stress that comes with rushing to get things done. Moreover, when you wake up early, you have more time for some stress-busting leisure activities, helping you start your day with a calm and composed mind. You are better equipped to prioritize. Oh my, I just can't pronounce this word. I don't know why. I try to say it, but somehow I fail. Prioritize. So yeah, you are better equipped to prioritize and solve problems. The key is to remain stress-free throughout the day. So don't forget this. Waking up early gives you more time to exercise. See, when you exercise in the morning, you are less likely to have an excuse, to be very, very frank. Plus, you will find that your morning workout, will keep you energetic all the day long. So, please start workouting in the morning, that will release good hormones in your body and keep you energetic and happy for all the day. I would not say happy, maybe happy, but it prepares you for a day. So these were the 5 benefits of getting up early in the morning, and I hope you all liked it, and I hope you all will wake up early from tomorrow and be more productive and happy mentally and physically. So this was all. If you have any queries, you can definitely comment down below. And yeah, and also if you all want me to make video on how to get up early, then do comment down below and I'll definitely make the video as well. Sorry for the background music. I think that you can hear there's this small girl in my society. She's saying something, I don't know. What more? So yeah, that's completely it. Now we'll end this video here. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then please hit the like button, comment down below and share it with your friends and family so that they can also get to know the benefits of getting up early and they can also follow it. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye and stay safe.